Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Opencart 4 extensions, its structure, and the challenges that I have experienced developing my first Opencart 4 extension. So, I would like to start with uh, showing you what I have built. So, let's start by first. I'm going to my Opencart project here. So, this is for an Upwork job I recently got, and the client wanted to customize the checkout and header, footer, and overall default theme. So this is my project, and I want to start with explaining how the OpenCart 4 extension system works. So here we have a typical OpenCart structure. But now a new folder appears with default OpenCart for installation. So this is an extension uh, separate folder. It is meant for keeping the extension files separately uh, for a clean structure, and I think it's beautiful at first glance. So here you can see three of my custom three of extension folders here. So this one is named OpenCart. So this is a sample extension provided by OpenCart. It's helpful to study, and it comes by default in the installation. So first let me switch my Apache to 8.2, and so I have restarted my Apache, and I am going to show you my Opencart for local installation and admin. So in the admin, if we go to installer, you can see some default extensions here. So these are the extensions that Opencart provided for your reference to start developing. So these extensions are a good start to learn how you can create an Opencart payment module, an ocmod example, language example. So these are different examples, and these files will always stay here. So basically you can call this list of extensions as well, and you can remove, uninstall, and then even delete these extensions. So here is my custom checkout extension I have made for the client. So how it works, how the installation or how everything works with the Opencart new installation mechanism. So I will first uninstall, and I will so this is something new to understand, that if an extension that has a module enabled or installed, it will not allow you to uninstall the extension. So in this video, by chance, you're going to learn how to uninstall as well. So this is my custom checkout extension. I'm going to uninstall it first, and then I'm going to install it again. I'm going to uninstall, and I am going to delete this extension. So this is how we remove extension. So how do we install? So I'm going to show you how we can install it by going to. So this is an ocmod.zip folder that existed previously with previous versions as well. So this folder, once uploaded, will go through some steps, and the extension starts showing up here. and then you can install it. Once this is installed, the next important step to make it work is you need to go to extensions, modules, and now every extension need to have a default Opencart admin module, otherwise the extension controllers won't load. So I will install it, and now my extension code controllers will be loaded once the Opencart front is loaded or Opencart itself is loaded. So my extension also contained an ocmod XML, so it started showing up here. I can enable it and I can refresh modifications. So how does this work? So when I uploaded the ocmod, it extracted the XML and placed it in the modifications table in database like it used to do in Opencart 3, and then it also added module that I always need to install to make all of my extension work properly. And the first step, we need to install the uploaded extension overall from here. So this is how an extension is installed in Opencart 4. So moving to the structure, what changes are done when an extension is installed. So I am going to show you the changes. So this is the extension folder, and the code of the extension will show up as a new folder in the extension folder. So the new extension I installed, its code was custom, so it shows as a custom folder here, and these are my admin and catalog controller files. So this is a bit tricky, that you are creating a parallel structure similar to Opencart default, and you are creating new files in this way. So the best way, recommended way, is to always include your file in controller, and then you can place similarly your view files in any folder. It works. But this is the recommended way to use view, template, and module file. And this is the install.json. So this is the code that we specified, and it installs with this folder name that is specified in the install.json. So next is ocmod. So when your ocmod or modifications are loaded, it will create the same files here like it used to do in storage modifications. So this is quite similar to that. So this is the default extension folder created by Opencart if you have ocmods and you refresh the modifications. And this is, again, don't confuse it with any Opencart default thing. This is just an extension provided by default Opencart with the code Opencart. So that's how it's installed here. So this is the code that actually makes this Opencart folder. So coming back to this, so this is the structure, and now how do we pack the extension to make it installable? So I am going to unzip this and show you how I packed the extension or packaged it for making it installable. So this is same. I have put my controller views and template, and this is the structure. So this is the same structure for catalog as well. No theme file or anything. You directly put your files in folders inside the template. Similarly, in the controller, the recommended way is to put inside the modules. So coming to ocmod, you need to create an ocmod folder, and the recommended way is to actually name this according to, like, it should be custom.ocmod.xml, and by chance install.ocmod.xml is also being picked. So this is our ocmod, and it's similar to ocmod created in the 3 versions. So you will need to put it in the base in ocmod folder and with ocmod.xml extension. So this is a short intro of an Opencart 4 extension installation and extension structure for developers to get a basic idea of Opencart for extensions. I will put this extension for reference in the description of the video. So stay tuned. This is Saqib Ashraf signing off. Thank you.